ఇది గుంతలు తవ్వేయటం మంచిదే కదా. There is a lot of difference between people irrigating the plants and God irrigating the trees and plants. You give the lushness. We can see the weaver bird nests and birds in abundance. We should make sure as per permaculture principles or natural farming agroforestry principles, should ensure thick vegetation. Then we will not lose the water. Water will always be there. This is actually a semi-arid zone. Now, because of simple principles, we have made the water to stagnate here, and it will also excess water. We have made a rock boulders, natural rock boulders, instead of culvert or hume pipes. The excess water will automatically run into the next level. Otherwise, erosion will happen. This is my driveway. Actually, now nobody will believe that I made a driveway, but it is a driveway, and that is the first pond. That's the second pond. We need to make series of ponds hereafter. The scenario today is 9th November 2024. The same scenario should continue in the month of April, May also. Then again June, July will get rains again. So this is a fundamental principle how we need to facilitate the passive irrigation. In fact, if you are smart, there is no need of irrigation lines. There is no need of investing heavy amounts on the drip and sprinklers, pipeline, everything. If you do the passive irrigation plants will automatically get irrigated. Doesn't matter if you have to manage couple of times with the tanker water. Initial stages, once the trees and shrubs, herbs and ground covering plants are establishing, automatically moisture levels will be there, and you don't need to do physical irrigation. The grass would be, I usually do, because my car to drive, I used to do rotavator, but it is always better to cut the grass instead of tilling the grass. ఇక్కడ ఇప్పుడు కొబ్బరి చెట్లు బాగా వచ్చేసినాయి కదా, కొంగలు కూడా వస్తూ ఉన్నాయి పర్లా. These are my main drive-in to the farm. Towards my right, it goes to Pedapalli, then to Galividur in Raichoti. This is a left side. We come from Kadri, Madanapalli, like that. ఇట్లుంటే మనకి పని తక్కువ, గడ్డి కొట్టుకుంటే చాలు.